Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Main General Studies Paper 3. So let's get into it. Who was known as Lak Baksh? The first option given is Kutubuddin Aibak, the second one is Iltumish, the third one is Balban, and lastly we have Razia. Okay, Kutubuddin Aibak gave large sums of money in charity, thus earning the name Lak Baksh, or giver of lakhs. Kutubuddin Kutubuddin Aibak was a ruler of the Mamluk dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. He was born to a Turkish family in Central Asia. Turkish family in Central Asia. He was sold as a slave in his childhood, but this went well because he was brought up by a Qazi of Nishapur. Okay, so the right answer is option 1. So here we just not only give you the answer but try to give a small description about it. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.